C-O-U-N-T-O-Y, I'll be country till I die. Every day and every night, it's the only way alive I've ever known. That's how daddy raised me. You got me wrong if you think that you can change me. I like it, man, I love it, wouldn't trade it, not for nothing. C-O-U-N-T-O-Y, I'll be country till I die. Yeah, I'ma settle down somewhere south or wherever, in a town where that welcome sign's missing some letters. I got a girl with a
Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Backwoods Buck Outdoors. Come here today to do a little bass fishing. Look like it's about to rain. But I'm gonna be throwing a floating worm today. Green pumpkin. See how many we can get up on. Limit's 5, 12 inches or longer. So y'all stay tuned and see if we can get some out here today. Alright, I'm gonna show you how I put my worm on. Go about 1/4 of an inch from the top. Size it up to where it's gonna be. Go in. Kind of get it straight as you can, and that's it. You ready to go. All right, y'all, the rains, it's in here. It ain't raining too bad. That's enough to get wet quick. Sitting up under this tree. This little burst of rain might help him. It wasn't a thieving action. There it goes. That's one bass. That's one. Hit it right at the boat. Pull again. Yeah, she's low. Real low. That was him. Nice one. There you go. Little bass got off. Nice little bass. see that line twitch? He's there. On this top water, you either get a bust or a roll. Most of the time I look at the line, but if they're aggressive, they'll get up on it. Oh, there you go. Nice bass. That's a nice bass. That is a nice bass, people. Look at all the bass. Nice bass. Oh, boy, boy, boy. Oh, yes, sir. Y'all look at this, people. Nice bass. Let me get out this sun. It's rough, ain't it? Be careful. Oh. You got to love it. Kind of little teeny swamp. Swamp people. And it'll rain again. All right, y'all hold on, people. Get up on these bushes. There you go. Look at her. Yes, damn. Little joker. Man, they're fast. They are fast, fast.
hills where the wind cuts sharp and the weak boys bail. I felt the dirt, I've tasted steel, but I ain't never bowed and I never will. Got a backbone carved out of red clay pride, and a fire that don't quit when it's tested or tried. You can bet your last dime and your name on a stone, this fighting heart don't break, it owns. I was built for this, for the blood and sweat, for the long shot odds and the no-name bet, for the nights that burn and the mornings rough, for the pain that pounds the leg.
Little nice. Yep. Yeah, he wanted it. That's one right here. Come on up out of there. Man, it's thundering again behind me. Hope we don't get a bad cloud. They pop up down in the summertime like this. Yep. I don't know if y'all can hear it thundering, but it's thundering pretty good. Maybe it'll go around. Through the holes. There it goes. Man. Just a roll. That's all I do is roll. There he goes. Nice right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another nice one. He wanted it. Yeah. Right here we're about to pick up another one. Hopefully. Five's the limit. Oh, there he goes. Another one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You got that hook too. Oh yeah. It's pretty bad. There he goes, people. Man, you just rolled up on it. All right, people. It's called a jack. Look at the teeth on this joker. Look at the teeth. Sharp. Pretty fish. Going back in. There he goes. What a God. Man, what a jack. Big jack. Yes, sir. Nice little bass. Going back in. All right, people, it's back raining again. Y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back when this rain get out of here. There you go. At the boat. At the boat. That's how quick they are, cuz. Yes, sir. Nice black bass. There you go. Man, that was a nice bass. Man, man, man. All right, people. We caught a limit of bass. I run out of treat worms, so we're gonna start throwing hair jig, gold spinner. Try to see if we can get some red breasts. There's one right there. Yes, sir. What is that? What a shell cracker, people. God, what a shell cracker, baby. Yes, sir. What a shell cracker. Oh my God, what a shell cracker. People. Man. Look at her. Full of eggs. Full of eggs. On my hand, look. Nice fish. Look how big that fish is. God. Good shell cracker. Going in the box. Man, that fish pull. Yes, sir. Thick. 9-incher. See how full. Yes, sir. There you go. Little red breast. Pretty. Pretty little red breast. Going back in. Snake, there we go. He's right in there. Look what an owl. How pretty he is. He is pretty. Like he ain't got no eyes.